Hello students, today we'll talk about one of the most important topic of polity or governance, that is delegated legislation. Now what do you mean by delegated legislation? First of all, in the parliament there are MPs and there are ministers. So they are elected by the people. Now the thing is, the question is, do they work each and every work of the people? The answer is no, because each and every functions of our governance system cannot be directly dealt by them. So what they do is they delegate those functions to some authorities established by law. So that phenomenon is called delegated legislation. The reason is parliament cannot deal with each and every aspect of the government. So that is the reason why they delegate some functions to some other authorities. I'll tell you some examples. One example is NTCA, for example, National Tiger Conservation Authority. Now it is established from a law. Now the law is passed in the parliament, that is Wildlife Protection Act. So all those work related to tiger, it has been given to NTCA as the apex body. Now the question is, in the NTCA, all the members are not elected by the people. There are some bureaucrats, there are some other persons, there are some environmentalists. So that is the reason why some work or most of the work are delegated in our India. Now the question comes, is delegated legislation favors the spirit of democracy? Question mark. Now the thing is, it does not favor the spirit of democracy. Why? Because in democracy we elect the people in order to govern ourselves, because the representatives have to govern us. We elect a particular person. But when we talk about NTCA, the example I gave, a person is an environmentalist. He is a member of the NTCA. We have not elected. So it is against the spirit of democracy. I am not saying it is a negative thing, but it is against the spirit of the meaning of democracy. So that is the reason why delegated legislation do not come directly with the spirit of democracy. But yes, delegated legislation is a reality, because single-handedly parliament cannot handle each and every functions of the governance system. Thank you.